Okay, now this video is going to be super interesting, guys, because I'm pretty sure you might have never seen a product like this before. It's a coffee table, guys. Yes, you heard that right, but it's not just any other table. It's a smart feature-loaded coffee table. Like literally, this thing has like a Bluetooth speaker on board, has RGB LED lighting, wireless charging is also there. You can even use it like a power bank and whatnot. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show it to you in this video. Now, this product is made by Sevenaire and the model is called as Mars, guys. It's like a basic Bluetooth coffee table speaker, and it comes in this sort of box packaging. So this is what we'll be checking out in this video. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our coffee table speaker from Sevenaire comes in this sort of box packaging. It says home audio speaker system on the front and even has a picture of the product over here. We've got the Sevenaire branding everywhere, and the model we'll be checking out today is BTZ1. This product is available in a couple of colors. You have white, black and nut brown as well. I believe we have the white color edition, guys, and that too, this is a beautiful piano white glossy finish, guys, and you'll get to see the speaker in a moment. As soon as you unbox it, we've got some legs over here, legs for the speaker. You have 3 of them in the same white finish to match up with the entire theme of the speaker, and there you go, guys. This is how they look like. Quite big legs, I can say. And along with that, you have a couple of accessories as well. Like you get a remote control for the speaker, so you can control the RGB lighting on it, volume and other media related controls. And you also get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm aux cable is there, and some paperwork as well, a user manual. Just make sure to read this for all the info. And lastly, you get a DC power adapter for charging the speaker. And that is it, guys. Now let's finally check out the speaker that we've been waiting for. Sevenaire's all new Mars coffee table speaker comes packed like this. Let me just remove this outer packaging and show you how the speaker looks like. Oh my god, now that is actually quite big in size. There you go, guys. This is how our brand new coffee table speaker looks like, and my god, it actually looks beautiful, right? Look at the finishing. It's got this beautiful piano glossy white finish at the top side, and love the abstract design also all over it. So what I'll do is I'll quickly fix the stands on the speaker, and then we'll talk about the design and the build quality. Fixing the stands is also very simple, guys. You just have a screw type mechanism. Just take the stands and start fixing it in clockwise manner, just like this. And there you go, we fixed all the 3 stands on it. So what I'll do is I'll quickly give you all a closer look at the speaker and talk about the design, build quality and basically all of its specifications. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using this smart coffee table for the last couple of days, and now I'll be sharing like my complete review and feedback on it. Now there are a lot of things I have to tell you, so make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, let's talk about the design and the build quality part. As I've told you, this speaker is available in 3 different colors. We have the piano white edition, and this color actually goes well with my living room. Just look at it, guys. If you place this piece of thing anywhere at any corner at your place now, nobody will believe that this is actually like a smart Bluetooth speaker on the inside. And talking about the design, guys, as I've told you, piano white finish looks very beautiful and premium. Now it's got a two-tone design, guys, a complete white and has an abstract sort of brown design at the center. Top panel looks like it's completely made of like wood material, guys, in a piano white and has a glossy finish on it. And good thing is, because of the glossy finish now, it's very smooth and reflective. And what I've observed is in the last few days, even some sort of stains or anything falls on it now, cleaning is also like very easy, guys. It doesn't leave any stain marks on it, so that is one good thing. Now going to the top side, guys, as you can see, we've got the Sevenaire branding over here, and at the center is where we've got the wireless charging point. So here you can easily place any of your compatible wireless charging compatible phones, and the speaker will automatically fast wireless charge them. So we'll come to the wireless charging part in a moment. And coming to the central area, guys, as you can see, it's got this beautiful abstract sort of design in this brown and orange sort of finish. And talking about the material used, I think this is some sort of acrylic material. The brand hasn't mentioned, but this is what I believe. And that is where we've got the RGB lighting, guys. It's got a complete 360 degrees RGB lighting, and RGB lighting on this thing is also like fully customizable. You can use a provided remote control to access like 6 different RGB lighting effects, and we'll come to the RGB lighting in a moment. What I'll do is I'll dim down the whole lightings in my room and then give you like a better look at the lighting. And moving on, guys, talking about the legs, I've told you, right, it's got 3 legs on the bottom. bottom, and table is actually like quite stable, guys. And good thing is these legs on the bottom have like rubber foot pad, so even in case you're playing like heavy music at loud volumes also, now table doesn't shake, so you don't need to worry about like placing your drinks on it and spilling them later while playing music. That won't happen because I've tested it in the last couple of days. So what I'll do is I'll quickly power it on and show you the RGB lighting, and we'll check out the sound quality of the speaker as well. But before that, I haven't showed you the connectivity ports and buttons, right? So let me just give you a closer look at that, and after that we'll power on the speaker and check out. So as you can see, we've got all the connectivity ports and buttons at the back side over here. You've got a play pause button, volume up and down, input source select is there, standby button is available, DC input for charging. This is the multifunction power on off button, guys. And talking about connectivity, you've got a couple of options on the speaker. You have aux line in available, USB port is also there, so you can even connect pen drives and play music from there. And lastly, you have Bluetooth option available. And if you're wondering what this USB out port is, see, I've told you, right, this speaker can also function as a power bank, so you can even charge things like maybe your TWS or smartphones also using wired, and it supports like 5-watt charging. Basic charging is there. So now let me just quickly power on the speaker, pair it with my phone, and then we'll check out the RGB lighting and the audio quality. Just press the power button. Power on. This is how the RGB lighting on this Bluetooth speaker looks like. Pretty attractive, right? You can even control that lighting. We'll get there in a moment. Now let me just grab my phone. We'll play some music on this thing, and then we'll talk about the audio and sound quality first. You guys heard the audio quality, right? What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, if you'd ask me, audio quality is actually pretty good for this price point. Now, first of all, let me tell you about the drivers on board and about the output. The brand hasn't specified anything about the driver units or basically the internal configuration of the speaker. But I actually had a look on the bottom side, guys, and found that the speaker has like 2 drivers on board, 2 passive bass radiators, and there's also a bass reflex port on the bottom side. The whole arrangement is done like, the audio is projected downwards, and that is how you'll be getting like a 360 surround sound effect no matter wherever you place the speaker in your room. And talking about audio quality, as I've told you, audio quality is actually very good. I've listened to like different category music from different genres and was quite satisfied with the result. So mids were nice, vocal clarity was good, everything was like easily understandable, treble quality was also fine. And coming to bass was actually quite impressive, guys. This speaker was actually producing like quite punchy bass. It had that thumping bass on it, and you'll be like quite satisfied with the result. And coming to audio output, guys, as I've told you, brand hasn't specified anything about the output, but see, I have listened to like multiple number of speakers, and based on my experience, I believe that it was producing somewhere around like 25 watts of output, guys. Plenty and sufficient for home purpose, guys. Even in this big size living room, the whole room was getting filled with the audio output, guys, and you can even throw like a small party at your place on this speaker with no issues. It'll get your job done. Now comes the best part, guys, RGB lighting on the speaker. To give you guys like a better look at the lighting, I even switched off the unnecessary lights in my hall, and now there you go, guys. This is how the lighting on it looks like. So it's got like a 360-degree lighting all around the speaker, and you can easily control the RGB LED lighting using the provided remote control. You can adjust the brightness and go through like 6 different lighting effects. So let me quickly show you. So just like this, guys, you can even adjust the brightness level. Pretty nice, right? And talking about the lighting effects, so this is one of them. This is RGB cycle. It keeps changing the colors on the inside. This is one more effect. So these are all the RGB lightings available on this Bluetooth speaker. And last but not the least, I've told you right, it also supports wireless charging functionality. It supports 10-watt fast wireless charging, and you can place any compatible smartphones at the center of the speaker just like this. And there you go guys, it'll start wirelessly charging your phone. It even shows fast wireless charging over here. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. Now, battery life on the speaker can depend on a lot of things, like how you basically use it. If you're using this speaker with all these functionalities turned on, like RGB lighting set to maximum brightness and volume set to high, and you're also using power bank function, wireless charging function, then obviously now battery life will be a bit less. But on an average now, I was getting around like 3.5 to 4 hours of battery life when volume was set to around like 75% and RGB lighting was also turned on. Now, if you reduce the RGB lighting brightness, you can expect like slightly higher battery life, but again guys, completely depends on how you use this speaker. And that is pretty much it guys, our video on the smart coffee table from Sevenaire. Definitely a hit turner, quite a unique gadget, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people will definitely ask you if you have this at your place, especially during parties guys. And apart from that guys, good design, good build quality, love the RGB lighting as well, and the overall smart functionality that they've built into this thing. Only thing I felt is price of the speaker is slightly on the higher side guys. This model costs almost like 19,990 rupees in India, and along with that guys, one thing I felt is, since it's a bit expensive, the brand could have also included like Alexa voice assistant support on board. That would have made this speaker like a all-in-one total complete package guys. So that is pretty much it. I'll leave links to this in the description box below. You can check it out there. And I'll see you all in my next one.